everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And today I have a treat holder to share with you because it's Memorial Day weekend and we are going to celebrate patriotically. But anyway, this could be used for any, I know it's kind of late to make these for Memorial Day because it is tomorrow, but you can do these for 4th of July, anything patriotic. There's a lot of holidays that we can share this with, but it's really cute and I really thought I would share something a little bit different. So it is like a little popsicle, and I've got this idea from Pinterest, not the design or anything, but the idea of making it into a popsicle. I haven't seen anything 4th of July. I've just seen like them do regular like popsicle looking. So that it was where I got my idea, but it says celebrate. I love this new alphabet bundle that we have. It's so cute. We are going to do these. And then these little stars, they are from the Sentiment Silhouettes, and I'll show you that. I showed this before, and I told you there were like stars and little hearts that go with it as well. And I'll just show you the bundle. And then I just tied a little ribbon around the bottom here. And I'm going to show you how to do it all right now. So let's get started. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to tell you what you're going to use. This is the AlphaBest bundle. And it comes with this best label, which is what I use to punch out the little alphabet. And you have all these different backgrounds on this you can use. And then this one is the Charming Sentiments. And this is the one I use the stars from, which is from the Sentiment Silhouette dies. And what they do is it cuts out around all of these. So you don't have to fussy cut them. It just cuts around all of these different sentiments, and it's really a neat effect. But it does have like flowers, hearts, and it's got a candle. You've seen me use the candle. And then these are the stars. I already cut those out because we're going to be stamping a lot with the alphabet. So I cut these out ahead of time in the real red and the starry sky I'm using for this. So for this, you need a piece of, this is the thick basic white, and I love using this thick basic white for boxes because it's very sturdy. This is 10.5 by 4.5. I do inspiration sheets. If you are new, you can get those on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. It's in my blog post where you can download it and print it if you want. And then these two pieces, one piece Starry Sky. I think I'm saying the right name because this is a new color. Yeah, Starry Sky and Real Red. And both of these pieces are 7 3/4 by 1 1/4. And this is what's going to wrap around the top and the bottom of this box. And then I got these craft sticks from the Dollar Tree. You can find these all over, but for $1.25, and I think I even got these for $1 before it turned to $1.25. And these are kind of a little bit bigger, but they go really good with the box. But you can use the smaller ones as well. So that's what we're using for that. You do need some scrap basic white to stamp our alphabet. And I think that's everything. But we're going to start out by stamping because we have to stamp all these little alphabets. And we're using the Real Red and Starry Sky. And what you're going to do here is you're going to stamp off. And I'm going to grab a piece of scrap paper. All right, so I'm going to use this to stamp off my little label here. So what you're going to need is 5 of the Real Red and 4 of the Starry Sky. So I'm going to stamp these all first, stamp off, and then stamp that, and I messed that one up, so guess what? I gotta do it again. Alright, so those are all ready to go. We are going to use Memento Black for our letters, and I did pull out all the letters that we need, so we are going to start stamping them. So we're going to do the C, first, and that's going to be in one of the real reds. And then we're going to do an E. One is going to be in the real red, and one is going to be in the blue. And then we'll do the L, and the L is going to be in the real red. Isn't that cute though, how it comes out? And then we need a B, and that's going to be in the real red. And then we need R, and the R is going to be in the blue. And then we need an A, so that's the E. And that's in the real red. And then we need a T. And that one's going to be in the blue. And I missed something here. E-R. Oh, I need two of the E's in the blue. So I hope I stamped those all right. Before I just did them one at a time, but I thought this would be a little bit easier. Then all you're going to do, and I'll speed through most of this, is you're going to just punch each one of these out with your punch. Super, super easy. Okay, so we have all our letters ready to go. And you probably saw the very last one gave me a hard time because I had to add a piece to it because it was too small. So we are going to do the celebrate like this. And it's going to be every other letter. So it's going to be just like that. All right, let's scoot that out of the way and let's make our box. So what you're going to do is score this. We are going to score it on the 10.5 inch side at 1/2, 1.5, 5.5, and 6.5. And then you're going to turn it, and on the 4.5 inch side you're going to score it at 1 and 3.5. And that is our box. All right, so we are cutting. Now this is the top that's going to have the flap, and this is the top of the box. I didn't even show you what I put in there. I actually put in some, and these are from last year, some of the Patriotic Hershey's and the Patriotic Hershey's Kisses and the miniatures. And every year I see them, so pick those up when you see them so you can use them for this box. So here's a 1/2 inch, and then this is the 1 inch. We are going to cut just above that second score mark here. And I'll show you why we're going to make tabs. And then you're going to do the same here. So cut down here and then cut across here. These, don't be too fussy with these. This is just going to go on the inside. It just helps hold the lid open or closed. It doesn't fall inside the box when you put these little tabs in there. So I'm just going to take some from there, and then you're going to take some off of here. It just folds into the box easier. Now on the sides, we're just going to cut in on these like we always do. Cut a little bit away, just like that, and on the same thing on this other side. And that is going to be our box. So let's go ahead, sharpen those score marks. All right, everything's sharpened. Now we're ready to put it together. I'm going to use Stampin' Seal Plus. Use a strong adhesive on this because you want it to stay closed and stay together. I always make sure your adhesive is a good one, because if it's going to fall apart, it isn't going to be good if it falls apart in, you know, 2 days or something. I like them to stay. So we're just pulling up the sides. And we're lining these up. And then this is going to be the top of our box right here. So that is the basic part. Now, what I want to do first, and please be very careful doing this, because if you can do this with an X-Acto or your little snips, but you are going to cut a little hole right in the middle, not a hole, but you're going to just cut a line. So this is going to be where your stick goes in. And don't make it too big, because you want it to be tight in there. But I'm going to show you something else I did on this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your stick here, and it fits really tight if you just make a slit in the bottom. And then what I did was I grabbed it here, I put a little glue dot on here on the very end, and it holds it to the front of the box. So I'll pull it back down and make it as long as you like, and then just press it there, so it, and then you have plenty of room to put all your goodies. Can you see how it's up against there now? So that's just a little trick. Now what we're going to do is put on our little bands here, and all that I do on this is start at the back. So this is going to be my back, and I just do about a ½ inch there. Just go along the edge, because there's really sharp. If you sharpened it well, it's gonna you're gonna be able to just, this is the easiest way, y'all, other than having to do 1/8 inches or 1/16 inches. This just works out so much better. So I'm gonna just do that. You can sharpen these if you want with your bone folder. Just make them a little bit straighter and a little bit more crisp here. And then I'm just going to go ahead again. I'm going to use my stamp and seal here. And then we're going to put this on. And we'll do the same with the Starry Night. Alright, so this is the front of my box right here. This is the back. Just start along. I'm going to start, let's see, that's the back, right? I'm going to start here. I like for it to end in the back here. This way the sides are nice and clean. Keep it right up against the top of that. There. Let's go around. And then it's got a really nice clean finish on the back there. You're going to do the exact same thing with this one, and try to start it at the same spot you had that one. And then I'm just going to, again, crease each one as you go around. Give it really good crease. You're going to sharpen it anyway. And then we'll just sharpen these. It's really easy to do. Again, use your Stampin' Seal Plus or your regular Stampin' Seal. Either one will work for this. I think this one's running low. Let's use this one. And again, start where you started the other one. Keep it right up against the edge of your box. And there you go. Isn't it cute? I think it turned out really cute. I was really happy. All right, so now let's put on our Celebrate. We are going to put the real red ones down with our glue, and then we're going to pop up the blue ones. So I'm going to start down here. You might want to lay them out, but I pretty much know now where I have to put them because I've done this a couple times now. But we're going to use the mini dimensionals for the backs of these. And you're just going to kind of stagger them. And you can put that on because this will slide right underneath. And we need our other E here. And you can just put them however you like it. You don't have to be, you know, crazy fussy. Just so you know where it's gonna, how it's gonna fit on here. And then another. It looks really cute popped up. I don't even know if you can tell on here. That they are popped up, but and we need the A. That's why I said put it down first so you know exactly how much room and stuff that you have. Sorry about that noise. My husband just walked in. He has a habit of doing that when I get the backing off. There we go. And then the last one. Just like that. Isn't that cute though? The little labels. These are so adorable. I can't wait to try the other ones. This is the first one I tried. Alright, now let's get our pieces here. And we're going to put the Starry Sky onto the real red. I'm just going to go opposite here. Come on, stay down there. And these cut, this one cuts out this little one, it's in the middle. And then it has this one on the outside. So that's how we come up with both pieces here. I need my take your pick tool. I'm telling you, I need to bring that out every time I do a video because I can use that tool. It's so handy. And I'm always forgetting to bring it over here. Oh, come on. All right, now this one is going to be the one in the center. And it's going to go here. And then I'm popping up this big other star here with a dimensional. But it helps when you get that centered. Didn't get it centered. Alright. And then this one's going to go right there. And then all we have to do is tie our bow on. And the the ribbon I'm using is the Real Red. And it is the faux linen ribbon. I love this ribbon. It ties so nice. And we're just going to tie a bow. And you can make it as big as you want or as little as you want. But it ties super nice. And we'll just cut that a little bit shorter. And there you have it. It's all done. Isn't it cute? I hope you really like this. I thought it turned out really cute. And it's such a fun one for Memorial Day and for 4th of July, any patriotic holiday. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, this is my May Hostess code. And if you place an order, I appreciate you using the Hostess code. And I thank you for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day. And I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.